Hi, I'm Jeremy from Ryobi. We're at Auckland Home Show. Come on through, I'll show you some of the tools we've got on display here. So we've got our One Plus range here, over 70 tools in the range, starting with things like a drill driver, basic tool for around the house, up into some more serious stuff like the brushless hammer drill, impact wrench, and impact drivers. We come down this way, we've also got grinders, reciprocating saws, circ saws, and jigsaws. Some pretty cool tools like this one here. This is a battery trim router, awesome for finishing, putting radiuses on stuff. Cool tool to have. Great lighting range, everything you need for power outages, camping, under the house. Tool shop blower, quite a popular one for cleaning up once you've done. Full range of inflators for the car or camping. Hand vac, great for cleaning up again. Great tool to have in the shed. We'll come through this way, I'll show you our garden range. Again, all 1 plus, 18 volt mowers, blowers, line trimmers, even things like seed spreaders. Brand new one to the market we've just released, quite a cool little tool. In addition to our 18 volt range, we also have our 36 volt equipment here at Home Show. Things like the brushless lawnmower, brushless chainsaw, and a great range of power garden equipment. Again, blowers, hedge trimmers, and line trimmers. If we come around the front here, I can show you some of the kits we've got available here. So we have a 9-piece kit there. Fantastic value. Great way to get started with everything you need. Cover all your bases around the house. And as you can see, we offer a 6-year warranty on our tools with online registration. 3 years on our batteries and chargers. If 9-piece kit sounds like a little bit too much, we do have the 5-piece kit here on offer. Again, covers all the bases around the house. Great way to get into the 1 plus range. Or if you're after something a little bit more simple, we can look at the 2-piece kit here. Again, great value. Drill, impact driver, 2 4-amp hour batteries and a charger, everything you need. And finally, if you come around this way, we'll be running make and take sessions every half hour throughout the day to make the Ryobi herb garden. Give the opportunity to use the drill and the impact driver. Hope you like the tour. If you want to get hands-on in real life, come on down and see the stand at Auckland Home Show.